Hello and welcome back to my Solidworks 2019 tutorial series. My name is Trevor Smale, and today we are going to be looking at Solidworks assemblies. We are going to create our very first assembly. And this assembly will be created from the last part we just made, which was your very first part, which I have saved on my desktop. If you want access to that file, it should be in the description below, and if not, it should be in the course syllabus, which should be linked below. As we can see, we've got our first part here. We want to create a new assembly. It's going to ask us to locate our very first part in the assembly. Boom. And there we go. So it's hovering right now, so we just want to click and let it find its place. And now what we want to do is duplicate the part, because we're just going to be mating the exact same part together. And I created this even step so that we can just flip the other part over and mate it. So by holding Control, we can Control click and drag out a duplicate. Boom. And now you can see in the feature manager that we have two parts. So you can see how useful the feature manager will become, because it shows you various steps and information about your models, parts, and assemblies. So let's try mating our very first surfaces. So we actually want to flip this part over and have it mate on this surface. So I'm just going to click, left click, and there's a pop-up menu, and mate is this little paper clip here. So by clicking on this, it's going to ask me what my next surface I want to mate with is. So in this case, we want to mate here, but this isn't what we want. We haven't flipped over the model. What you have to do is choose Flip Mate Alignment. Boom. Got it. Now, we are still in a kind of active mating mode. So that means that we no longer need to click and click mate. We're already in that mode. So all we have to do is just select faces. So we are going to mate this face and this face coincidentally. You can see the coincident option here. So that's cool. We're just going to click the green check. That's finalized. And our final mate are these two faces. Easy enough. Boom. Done. In the upper right hand corner, you just hit check to exit that mating mode. And we are just going to save out our part, which would be called first assembly. Great. Your very first assembly. Congratulations. So if you like this video, please click like or subscribe, and click in the information below to find the course syllabus where you can systematically go through the course from start to finish. Thank you very much.